Here. Different.
You guys can light it off.
Light. If you're a kid, please don't do this. Don't try to light it off. Hurry up! Take it, Ariana. Please don't do this at home, kids. Do a light show. It's a good light show. Look this.
You couldn't hurt me.
But I didn't. Need a new lighter to light this last one.
Why?
But it all good.
Don't hurt.
How did you like the sprinklers? Again. How did you like the sprinklers again? The sprinklers.
Right by the light.
Okay. Sprinklers. How did you like the sprinklers?
Which ones? These ones?
Yes. Come on, I gotta jump up.
Cool.
You can't see me. Hello? Light. Whatever. You mean? I don't like you either. Anyway, how do you like sprinklers?
Good. Sparkler. How'd you like the sparklers?
Well, they are fun. These sprinklers, sparklers are really cool. Remember, kids, do not try this at home. Do not light another sparkler with another sparkler. It is bad for you.
Why?
So if you try it, you can burn yourself. So, please subscribe to my 2 videos, Fireworks, Fireworks 2, and this is going to be Fireworks 3. Please subscribe and make sure this video is online.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hit the hard button.